Okay, so my name is Nicole McDonald, and I have the privilege to be a patient here at Advanced IV. I had a lot of experience with illness that was unexplained for quite a few years. Went to a lot of different doctors, and just really wasn't finding what the problem was. And after being diagnosed with fibromyalgia and other reactivation, Epstein Barr, other things that that were being thrown at me, I wasn't getting better. It was found that I had been exposed to very high levels of environmental toxins, and that I had impaired cognitive function as a result of being exposed to these toxins. And in fact, it was my PET scan was so abnormal that they repeated it a second time, and the interpretation was showing that they were seeing what was found in the same thing was being found in Alzheimer's patients. There are a lot of IV therapy clinics that are opening up all over the country. You can go in, you can say, oh, I want to do NAD therapy, and you can go in and get 250 milligrams and be on your way. But what they're missing is that the benefit of doing these protocols, these loading doses, is profound. I did 10 consecutive 750 milligram infusions, and it's the most profound thing I've ever done. It truly, for me, was like coming out of a coma. I really feel compelled to share that I am doing these therapies in a clinic, Advanced IV, that knows these protocols, that understands these loading phases and doses. It's a difference between night and day. There are so many, like I said, there are so many clinics that offer all different types of infusions. And I don't want to just talk about NAD. I want to talk about EBU. There have been more EBU treatments done here in this facility than there have this year, than there have been in the entire country. And that speaks volumes, number one, but also the benefits are, there are so many benefits to EBU that you can look it up. There are so many things listed, but we are just, with this type of therapy, we're at the beginning of really understanding just a fraction of the benefit of this type of blood dialysis. I mean, it's, people that are dying from diseases are getting their lives back. And I'm witnessing this.
And a lot of times we'll combine and stack. We'll do some EBU treatments because it's a form of blood cleansing, hyperoxygenates all of your tissues and organs systemically, and then we'll add in the NAD infusions. So your cells are actually more receptive to the NAD. You get increased uptake and increased benefits after the EBU treatments. So stacking the two is one of the most transformative modalities and treatments we've seen, and we treat ourselves as well with these modalities.
And I'm a patient here, and I am very regular. I was very ill, but I have been able to witness this facility, this clinic, Advanced IV, be catapulted into doing the most advanced treatments that are available. And they know what they're doing, and they continue to learn. But they know as much as the doctors that are out there that are considered the best in not the country but in the world. And they're doing it here in Tucson, Arizona at Advanced IV. So thank you so much for being here and for helping me and giving me a life, because I literally I was existing, and I'm living a life now, and it's because of these therapies that they're offering here.